percentage uncertainty and absolute uncertainty. Okay, so the basic formula for absolute uncertainty and percentage uncertainty is say here uncertainty divided by the mean value multiplied by 100. This is for percentage uncertainty. This is for percentage uncertainty. Okay. Okay, this is for percentage uncertainty. This is the formula for percentage uncertainty. So here is the uncertainty, you can see, and the this is the uncertainty and is the mean value and multiply by 100. So what if, like, you know, there is, like, for example, in the radius there is power 3. So what you will do with that? So this is for the radius, right? This is not the diameter. Okay, radius. Okay. So this is for mass, this is for mass, and this is radius. Pi and this thing we don't need because these are number, right? So for radius, what you will do? Okay, the radius, you can see uncertainty is given here. Uncertainty of the radius, I mean diameter, is given here. Okay, you write the uncertainty of this and you write the value for radius here. She wrote the diameter for radius. Then what the reason behind we are multiplying this with 3, because this is power 3. Okay, and same rule, then whatever the things you multiply with 100. This is for radius, this whole thing is for radius, this is for mass. Okay, then you get the percentage. This is the percentage and percentage of this. Okay, again I am repeating, if there is power you will multiply with the power. Okay, so suppose there can be also a square root, like for multiplying, right? If like this is there, the case is like this, so then you will divide uncertainty, whatever the total uncertainty you will get, you will divide with the number 3. I mean, if it is a square, you will divide with 2. If it is a cube root, I mean, like, for example, this, you divide with 3, right? You will divide with 3. Okay, the total uncertainty, again I am repeating, you will divide with 2. Total means what? Means full. For example, you got, after solving this you got some uncertainty, right? After solving mass you got something, and after solving this you got something, so you will divide with this number. Okay, so here, why the reason behind we are not dividing? Because it is power. Again I am repeating, it is power, it is not a square root, it is not root. So here there are some other questions, root. So see here, first I will do percentage uncertainty, then do absolute uncertainty. So here, see, you can see this question. This question already, percentage uncertainty is already given in percentage. It's already given in what? Percentage. Okay, see, in this question, this is percentage is already given. It is already calculated. In previous question, it was not given in percentage. That's why I multiplied with 100. I have to change it to percentage. I have to change it to what? Percentage. So in this one, it's already in percentage, so I will just simply plus everything. So here I got the value of A. Now they are saying everything about A. Say to find the unit, and second question, maybe in first question they say to find the value of A. Like this they give question, right? So here in this question they are saying to find the unit of A. Okay, in second question they are saying to find the percentage uncertainty of A. They are saying to show. Already answer is given, so we have to show. So see here, so now percentage of Q is 3, percentage of L is 4, and percentage of this is 2, I mean R is 2. And what is the reason behind we are here multiplying with 4? Because see the formula is saying A is, you can see the A power. A is what is the formula of A? Now you can see after arranging this thing, it has become QL A, I mean R 4. The power is 4. So this is power. This is what? Power. Power always we multiply. Again and again I am saying power always we multiply. Power, what we do? Always we multiply. Okay. And this one is given in percentage. That's why simply we are adding. We are not showing like this. We are not doing like this, number and multiplying with 100. We are not doing this, because this is already, this process is already done. এটা করে এটা পাইছে, বুঝতে পারছো? এটা করে এই আনসারটা পাইছে। So this process is already done, so we don't have to do it. Okay, and in this question this thing was not done. In this question this thing was not done. That's why we have to find it out. Where percentage I mean uncertain percentage এর মধ্যে দিছে no. আদারওয়াইজ যদি আনসার্টেনিটিটা যদি পার্সেন্টেজে দিত, সিম্পলি আমরা এটা এখানে অ্যাড দুটোটা অ্যাড করে নিতাম, রাইট? সো নাও ফার্স্ট উই হ্যাভ টু ডু দিস প্রসেস। ওকে, আনসার্টেনিটি ডিভাইডেড বাই অ্যাকচুয়াল ভ্যালু অ্যান্ড মাল্টিপ্লাই বাই 100. উই হ্যাভ টু ইউজ দিস ফর্মুলা হিয়ার, বাট হিয়ার উই don't use the formula. The reason behind is like, you know, they already got in this question also already calculated to just plus it. Okay, so here, okay, this is for percentage uncertainty. So this is for percentage uncertainty. This is the formula. This is also same question, right? So see here in this question they are saying you to find the percentage uncertainty. The formula is uncertainty divided by value multiplied by 100, right? So now you can see this is also again given in percentage. You can see the value is again given in percentage. So simply we have to add. When it is given in percentage, we just have to add. We don't have to do this formula. We don't have to use this formula and change it into percentage. We don't have to change it into percentage. It's already given in percentage uncertainty. So by seeing the formula we will just do. So here you can see it is power. Okay, so with this percentage, I mean percentage uncertainty, we have to multiply with 2. So V, where is V? V is this one, right? So this one we have to simply multiply with 2, right? Because power is 2. So and this one will be same, S will be same as there is no power. Okay, so they are saying find the percentage uncertainty of A. So we have to arrange, we have to make A as a subject. So how you will make A as a subject? This is the formula is what? S square B square 2A. So this will go other side. So this will be 2 and this will be S, right? Okay, so in order to remove 2, what you will do with 2? It will be divided with this all. Okay, v square S divided with 2. So there is no value for this thing. I mean 2 will go down, but we don't have any. We just see the letters. We just see the letters. So this letter is important, this letter is important. So v is v square, right? So v is what? V square. S is what? So as you can see, it's just percentage we are writing 0.5, and for v we are multiplying with 2. The reason behind it, because v has power. Okay, and everything we are adding, right? Everything what we are doing, adding. We are not taking it up and it will get minus or something. We are not taking it down, it will get minus. I mean it will reduce or something. The power will reduce, and when it will go up, power will increase. It's not something like this. It's just plus. Only we are seeing the power and we are doing. Okay, and again I am repeating, the reason behind I am not doing this thing is because it is already in percentage. Okay, so let me show you some square root question also. This one, see here again, percentage uncertainty. So what is the formula for density? The formula for density is, here we got the formula for density. This one very big formula. Where's the formula? Yeah, density to mass by volume. Some volume we have, so we don't need all these things. We only care about the power. We only care about what? The power. Okay, so here you know density, formula for density is mass by volume, and volume is what? Mass by 4 by 3 pi radius. The power is 3. We only care about the power. Okay, so what we have to do, this and this. So simply we will mass plus r, and with r what you will do? Multiply by 3. What you will do? Multiply by 3. Okay, yes or no? This is for percentage uncertainty. Okay, because these are already given in percentage. No, this is not given in percentage. In this question what you will do now? Now you have to add something down, and something that down what you will add? You will add uncertainty. What you will add? You will add actual the value. This is uncertainty, you will get the actual value. Okay, see here, you know the formula, right? Now you will add the formula here.